In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wrike with Mailchimp step by step so you can connect your project management and email marketing workflows in just a few minutes. This is a great setup if you want to keep your team organized in Wrike while syncing important actions with Mailchimp without jumping between tools all day. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Wrike and log into your account. Once you're inside Wrike, look at the top left corner and click on your profile. This is where Wrike keeps account settings and integration options, so don't skip this part. After that, click on Apps and Integrations. This will open the integration gallery where you can connect Wrike with other tools and services. Now, in the search bar, type Mailchimp. Wrike will show matching integration options, so look for the Mailchimp integration that appears through Wrike Integrate. Click on Mailchimp via Wrike Integrate to open the correct integration page. On the next screen, you'll see the option to get Wrike Integrate. Click that button to continue. At this point, Wrike may ask you to select a plan before you can complete the integration. That's because some integrations require an active Wrike Integrate subscription. Click on Choose a plan to purchase so you can review the available options. Then select the plan that fits your needs and complete the purchase process. Once the plan is activated, the integration can be connected successfully. After purchase, follow the checkout steps and confirm everything so Wrike and Mailchimp can work together. Depending on your account setup, you may be asked to sign into Mailchimp and approve permissions. If that appears, just log in with the Mailchimp account you want to connect and authorize access so Wrike can communicate with Mailchimp. This connection allows you to build workflows that save time and reduce manual work. For example, you may use it to organize marketing tasks, automate updates, or keep campaign-related work moving between systems more efficiently. Once the integration is active, take a moment to test it and make sure the connection is working the way you want. It's always a good idea to verify that your selected workspace, account, and permissions are correct before relying on the automation. And that's it. You've now learned how to integrate Wrike with Mailchimp. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.